Hi, this is Kevin Cook, the heavy equipment guy here at Star Tractor. Got a beautiful John Deere 672 that just came in off of rent. Gonna get it in the shop, get it ready for the next rental. If you're looking to rent something like this, give me a call at 817-733-3799. Beautiful machine. Thank you, and God bless.